Hello guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Have you often felt annoyed by the phone suddenly black screen of death, or no response? Don't worry. Here are 3 practical ways to fix many iPhone issues in just a few clicks, and without any data loss. Let's get started. To exclude the battery drain problem, first charge your iPhone with the original Apple Lightning cable. Trying to charge it and wait a bit more. If your iPhone suddenly becomes a black screen of death, it may just be a battery drain problem. If the first method doesn't help, try the second one. To force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 14, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the screen turns black. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. However, sometimes this method doesn't work. So there's the third solution, an iOS repair tool to fix this trouble. The best part of this process is that it doesn't lose any data and can fix more than 150 iOS system issues. Though it is a paid version, the download link is put on the description. Launch Reiboot. When directly clicking on the started repair, you will find that the phone is not connected to the computer. So you need to choose the appropriate way to connect according to the guideline on Reiboot. Follow me. Connect the phone with the computer first. For iPhone 14, volume up, volume down, and hold the side button. Don't release until you see the restore screen. Now your iPhone is in recovery mode. Also, you can turn back to the front page. Enter recovery mode by one click for free. When this is done, and then click on the standard repair with the blue button. Reiboot will match the latest firmware of your iPhone. Wait about 10 minutes until it shows standard repair completed. Your iPhone would restart and soon go back to normal. Check this out. We can see that everything is here, all data is still on your phone. Okay, that's today's tutorial on how to fix an iPhone black screen of death. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would be very grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.